Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating oxtail.
Catered by First Lady. Yeah.
So, do we have a recipe on how to make oxtail? Yes, we do have a recipe on how to make oxtail. If you want to know how to make it, the link will be somewhere in the description, or you can just go ahead and search under Jamaican food and you will see all of our Jamaican food recipes, videos, etc, etc, etc.
Before we go any further, don't forget. Oh, gotta pick up my tissue. Don't forget, it's in the description too, right there. If you don't want to go right there, www.thegreedycouplepotties.com. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not.
This is good.
But yeah, you good?
This is good. And then we have pear right here, aka avocado,
aka green man. Wow.
So today's gonna be the first day of the Story-thon.
Story-thon.
Oh, my bad. Story-thon.
Yes.
Okay.
Why it seem like your hand way over my side, my youth? Yeah. I guess it's not my food.
Maybe it is. Let me move over a bit.
Yeah. You can't eat my food, my youth. Get one.
Okay.
See? If I tell her, you know, she'll come on my side and dip, you know.
Yeah, it is. It was way on your side.
Yeah, come on.
Way on my side. But not gonna lie.
Family. Listen. First day, got a story-thon today. I just want to eat and relax. Family, I'm tired.
The kind of rice that I have is gunga rice and peas. Also known as
I love it.
pigeon peas.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Pigeon, no scrub.
Yes.
I just want to give you some. Hold on, man.
This is good.
Been a long day, family. Let me eat some first. I'll save you some. I'm not gonna give you no eat and left. Okay. Yes, I hear you chatting. Oxtail, okay. Give your beautiful people a nice scrumptious bite. Yeah, don't complain. Look, it's already falling off the bone already.
Yeah.
All right, family, it's falling off the bone. Quick, take a bite. Quick. There you go. All right, there you go. Quick. It's falling off the bone, family. You see that? That mean is cooked the way it's supposed to be.
I hope you guys had a great weekend.
Oh yeah, damn. I forgot all about the accent, because yo, I'm in that type of mood.
I had a great weekend. We had a great weekend. I watched season 3 of All American. So good. And
Making beer nice when I'm trying to sleep to go to work.
I'm actually going to rewatch the whole season, the whole series. So I'm starting from season 1. I like it that much.
You were asking already who else watched that?
I think so. A while back though.
Yeah. Do y'all watch that? Yes, no.
Ooh, this is season really good.
I told you. You know what piece of teeth out when I come in? I said, yo, get out, yo.
I didn't hear you.
Didn't even go to Puffy Real? Wow, you were busy in your show then.
Yeah, you're getting good at it.
You got good teeth, man. I'm a good teeth. I told you that.
You're making me cough too?
Damn. Family, if y'all don't do this to your oxtail bone, y'all don't know what y'all missing. You already know what I
Now, for those of you who are wondering what Story-thon I'm talking about,
Yeah.
it's about our kitchen remodel.
How much part you got for this story?
It's probably gonna be all the way until Fast Food Friday. No cap.
No count. You gonna be,
I'm gonna start it because it's long.
It started off from this one first. This way first. Where you first found them. What? Food nice and free. But not chatting. No? I just want to listen to you and me and my food. Oh, hold on. Before further start, look. It's just, yeah. I know y'all be drinking this one too, you know? You already know what this is already. It's the what? There we go. All right. Good to go. Whenever you're ready, fam. First lady, whenever you're ready, it's your show. Whenever you're ready, ma'am, drink some of that juice in my juice. And it's free. All right, talk to them.
I'll give myself a lot of butter beans. I like butter beans because, I don't know.
Listen, I like the butter bean when I'm freaking hungry, B.
You're always hungry.
I don't know, right now I'm gonna tear them butter beans up.
So, Rich and I have always wanted to redo the kitchen. We lived in our house for 13 years, and I think it's time to redo some stuff. Alright. Whatever. So, I did some research, and we had several people come and give us estimate, and we went to big box stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, Cabinets to Go, IKEA, and what I was looking for was a kitchen that was very accessible, that you can organize the kitchen really well. And I wanted drawers, not the drawers that I have on.
Yeah, not them kind of drawers, you know.
I wanted drawers that you can pull out and put pots in, and pot covers and Tupperware and containers. I just wanted to be very organized. And everywhere that I went, the only place that had that was really IKEA.
Her dream kitchen?
Yes, if I had said, I want a drawer that has lights, or I want a drawer that I can separate it, the big box stores would say, our cabinets don't do that. And they do, it's very expensive. So, I end up loving and falling in love with IKEA's kitchen. And IKEA's kitchen is like in the middle, okay? Where you can afford it because it's reasonable, it's good quality, and they do have a 30-year warranty. So, okay. I figured out I'm gonna go with IKEA. Did the research, did the planning, did the layout. Everything was good. We got all the hiring people them. I narrowed it down. Well, we narrowed it down to one person. Okay. IKEA could have installed our kitchen for us, but the area that we live, they don't come that far. Okay?
No cap. For nice door.
So, we had to find someone else. So, I did my research, and I found a couple of people. And the first thing you want to ask them is, do they know how to put up IKEA cabinets? IKEA cabinets is not like the cabinets that you get in the store. Every piece has a purpose. Okay, if you see 1,000 pieces, 1,000 of those pieces are gonna go somewhere. Okay. The person said, yes, I know how to do IKEA cabinets. I've been experienced with IKEA cabinets. I said, do you also know how to work with butcher block material? And they say, yes, we know how to work with that. I said, great, give me some references, and also go ahead and send me some pictures of your work. He did all those things, everything checked out. The first day, they came and gave us an estimate. He said he'll come with about 4 guys, and he'll be done in a week.
Hold on. Eat some of your food, okay? Take a break. Family, if somebody tell you they gonna come with 4 people and they be done in a week, and they show up at your place with only 2 people, run. Run like Usain Bolt. Run like the Jamaican them, okay? Yeah. We came in 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? As my mother said, they changed the error code from 876 to 123. Because all 3 of them came in.
Yes.
So you run like that. Run like Usain Bolt, family. If they show up with 2 people, all right. Take your time. Take a break first. Anyway, we have enough time. It's only 11 minutes in the video.
So. This one juicy. This one juicy.
Yo.
Juicy, bad.
Yo, why are you talking? I'm just taking my time eating.
I know.
Shit.
So, Came, gave us an estimate, got the job, did the deposit, signed the contract.
Wait, they came early too.
No.
Right on the time of the estimate thing. That's right. They showed up at the right time.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I button nice for you. Go on,
Oh, that's okay. So they came, gave us an estimate, we signed the contract, everything was good, whatever. Deposit, everything was done. The first day that they came now to start the job, they came bright and early, 8 a.m. And we said, yes, we like this.
That's the type of workers we like.
Yes, early and started the job. Now, the family and I, everybody, we could have demoed the kitchen by ourselves because we've done the bathroom before. We've remodeled our bathroom, our kids' bathroom with no problem. We could have demoed the kitchen ourselves, and we could have put the IKEA cabinets together ourselves and just hired somebody to install it. But when you've lived in your house for a long time and you've done everything by yourself, by hand, you want somebody else to do it. Okay. They demoed the kitchen, everything. They was done demoing in like 2 hours.
Fast.
My husband and I looked at each other and said, wow, this renovation's gonna be really done in a week. Okay. So then, while he's demoing, he's having the other guy putting the cabinets together. That day when they left, they had 50% of the cabinets together. Cool.
Nice. Dandy.
Yes, that was a Monday. The Tuesday they came, they didn't show up until about 10 o'clock. I'm like, what happened? They said, well, we had something happened in the morning and we had to take care of it. No problem, things happen. But then, they start working. An hour into the job, the main person, okay, not the assistant, the boss, said, I gotta go to Home Depot. Cool, I get it, because you run out of stuff. What do you need from Home Depot? I need this and this and this. No problem. Get to Home Depot. He go by himself. The man took an hour and a half at Home Depot. What he's doing in an hour and a half when Home Depot from us is like not that far? Okay. He comes back.
Come back with his sauce.
Come back with a bag full of stuff that he could have grabbed and go in 10 minutes. Okay? So, they start putting the cabinets and just figuring out where everything is gonna go.
Take a break.
They did one side of the cabinet. Just the base. And they was done for the day. Next day come Wednesday. This time they come at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, make sure you're listening up. Okay.
They come at 9 o'clock. And they're putting the cabinets together. They're putting the pantry together. They're moving pretty fast today.
They're doing their thing.
We go out there to check on them. And Richie said, wait a minute. I thought we picked this color cabinets. All I'm seeing is white. Now remember, they said they know how to put IKEA cabinets together. So they should have known that IKEA cabinets come with panels. All the base cabinets are white, and the panels is what you use to cover the white so that you can change the color. And that's one thing I do like about IKEA, because if you get tired of the color that you pick, just take the panels off and the doors off and change it instead of having to change the whole base cabinet, the whole top cabinets. Okay. So he said to get upset. Okay.
Yeah, listen, you're listening. I know you're glued to the damn your phone or your TV. Yeah, listen though. Go on.
So he started to get upset. And say, well, you didn't tell me. I said, well, I shouldn't have to tell you. If you told me that you know how to put IKEA cabinets together, you should know that. So we squashed that out. We go ahead now. They now have to take off all the top cabinets and put the panels on.
Cause First Lady not having that.
Yes.
That's one thing. She knows her stuff. She not having that, son. Go ahead now. Go on.
So, after they put one panel up, they're fighting with the panel, and it's up. So I go over to the cabinet, and I'm inspecting it, and I said, yeah, this panel has to come back down. They got upset again. I said, the panel needs to come out 3/4 of an inch. Okay? And they said, no, it doesn't. I said, yes, it does. Go ahead.
Okay. From there, that's when we knew they
We
messed
fucked up.
yeah. We fucked up. All right, now go ahead.
So, he said, that's not how it goes. I said, yes, it is. I said, sir, let me tell you something. I've done my research. I know how IKEA cabinets are supposed to be installed. It needs to come out 3/4 of an inch because the doors them are very thick, and you want it to be flushed. If it doesn't come out 3/4 of an inch, it's not gonna look right. So I had to end up pulling up a video and showing it to him, and he said, "You know what? You are the boss. We'll take it out 3/4 of an inch," and we was done from there with that section. So that took them about 3 hours to do, to put the panel up. They had to take it back down, put it back up, and fix it where it's 3/4 of an inch. They was done for the day.
Okay.
Okay. So after they was done for the day, I start looking and inspecting and just making sure that everything is being put together, making sure the drawers are being put together correctly, the cabinets are being put together correctly, and I let them know every single piece in the box is supposed to be used. Okay, there should not be a lot of pieces left over. They don't give you extra pieces.
There shouldn't be none.
There shouldn't be none left over, actually. You're right. They don't give you extra pieces. Everything is supposed to be used. If you're left with several pieces, that means something is wrong.
First Lady, don't get no more though.
We're done.
You're not getting no more. Part 2 tomorrow. So now y'all just remember where she left off and listen, cause y'all listen real good. Why but you look like that did not top? Why you blinking? On top right now, see that?
Yep, so I'm buying. Alright, Tom.
Family,
So,
part 2 tomorrow. Okay? My word of wisdom. I want y'all to listen. So here we go. Got for them good people today.
our battery's gonna die.
Our battery's gonna die, family. So they cut my food short. Alright. Listen. First say listen. Family, listen. Family, listen. When you have more than you need, build a longer table, not a higher fence. I'm gonna say that again. Family, First Lady. When you have more than you need, build a higher table, not a higher fence.
Good.
Word of wisdom. You know what it is already. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. I am Richie. If you're new, this is Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, one and only. So, there you are, First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. And we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Bye. /Storython.